What's good, YouTube? It's your boy White and I'm back with another video, man. Today's video is a vlog. So right now I'm about to go to the barber shop, you feel me, go get my tape up. Then I'm gonna hit Orlando, link up with my dog Dinero TMA. Most of y'all know TMA. I did a bear pond video with him. I shot a music video not too long ago. He's on my intro. So my intro video, that's him rapping in my intro.
Got time for God, got time for mom, but don't got no time for no silly hoe. Watch cause a brick, I drop a dime, round your head if you want some smoke. I got a gun, you got a fist, I think you know how this gonna go. I own the bomb, I am the shit, but I didn't come from no toilet bowl. Now that I'm back out, I'm take the cash route, I'm smashed out. I be the back out, I was locked up getting pat down.
We finna go turn up tonight in Orlando, you feel me? My boy got a show, a contest. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's OGTV, man. It's your boy White, and I'm out this bitch, man. Make sure you stay tuned. About to go to the barber, get a fresh cut, come back and looking all gleeful on y'all, you feel me? I'm out there, bitch. Oh shit, I almost forgot. Peep the drip, peep the drip. Hey, I changed the face on him.
Boy, if you don't get...
Another thing that I wanted to mention, I got a new lens, so let me know what y'all think. And if you prefer this lens or, well, it's not really what y'all prefer.
Bro, shut your bitch ass up.
Alright, so I just got my tape, you feel me? Just got a clean lineup, you feel me? Out of 10, like what would you rate it out of 10? Like what would you rate this lineup out of 10? Let me know. I'm gonna wait for y'all, like, comment right now. I'm gonna wait. But me, I would have rated like, I get like a 6.5. You feel me? I definitely had better. So it's approximately 3:30. I'm officially leaving down South Florida, Broward area right now. I'm gonna try and get there at least like 6:30 so I can only miss like an hour of the show. But I'm on my way. Alright, like iceberg, I'm on my way, nigga. I done changed the face on their ass. But stay tuned, man. It's what, 4:39. I'm just outside of a little city called Stuart. So if anybody from Stuart, South Florida, or Stuart, Florida, however y'all say this shit, I don't know. Let me know, you feel me? Drop a like, comment, do something. But yeah, man, I'm about to go get back on the road. Alright guys, so I just got here and I'm paying for parking.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. You feel me? So I'm trying to make sure I get there. Yeah, I'm trying to make sure I get there before he go on. You know, I gotta put the ticket in the car. You feel me? Right to. Just got here. I'm about to go to the door, check in, and find Dinero, see where he at. Hopefully he ain't perform yet. And it's gonna get lit. So let's see what these boys got. Let's see what they coming with. Alright, stay tuned.
I'm ready to start this thing up, man. I'm tired of waiting. I'm ready to start this thing up. First of all, I wanna definitely say big love to everybody. When I'm on the piano, actually when I'm doing my thing, I ain't the one that they call to come put on the show. I get this time once I got through the door. Don't know if I'm the only thing I didn't know. Not just I'm back, you know how I'm gonna go. Man, shout out everybody came to this thing, man. I'm about to turn this bitch up, you know what I'm saying? This track I'm doing called Take Your Soul. It's streaming on all platforms, go something like this. Now I'm back out, I take the cash out, I smash the thought. I be the back out, I was locked up, getting back down. VBS down, they shine when the sun down. Reap my chain, get gunned down. Big mama said big bank on something, now shit free, bitch like Wait, look. Hey, we're gonna get from Florida, make some noise you from Florida. Let's go, let's rock. Wait, look. Gang, look. Now that I'm back out, I'm getting cash out. I be the back out, I was locked up, getting pat down. VBS down, they shine when the sun down. Reap my chain, get gunned down. Big mama said big bank on something, now shit free, bitch like You love the hoe, I love the dope. As soon as I blow, bitch, you gotta go. None of my big bitch up, phone, I don't know, they can't leave me alone. Can't wanna
pressure. I'm getting to that. Who's that nigga that came in there? He gonna be pressure.
Let's rock out. Let's do it. Let's keep it going. Yo.
What's the smoke? We gon' slide. Staying with my dog, we gon' ride. Smoking on it, catch a vibe. We tryna walk on one time. Run away until you ain't gon' stay down. I don't care, I'm happy with myself. Hey, G, baby, cut me that double car. I'm tryna get lit. Hey, play my G, baby, get stuck up in the bitch. Hey, if you steppin' with your brothers, let me in. You gon' ride, you gon' slide. So we close game, drug game, most star, I start. And I'm the top man, do your thing, be lame, no pain, hey, no home lane, in the change, nice.
I'm free, all my niggas, I know that they coming home. They just gon' be the bit first. I was in y'all bitch and know the attitude. Y'all niggas were thinking I'm first. I had to stop on the new pay, on the new wave, niggas holding it back. I had to check a few niggas, work a few niggas, I don't know what to say. I lost a few niggas, lost a few niggas, shit, it's still living it back. I'm the drug king, I'm still the same, now nigga, rob and shit.
We waiting on them to announce the winners and shit. So y'all probably can't hear shit I'm saying, but I'm gonna do a voiceover. But yeah, man. I changed the face on. So yeah, man.
You know what time it is, man.
That shit was rigged. I'ma say it. That shit was rigged, you feel me?
You seen the performance, and nigga ain't tripping. They usually promo.
I'm cold as shit right now, so
Shit is right with you to go.
I'm shaking. Yeah, I gotta go that way. Low key kinda lost.
It's alright though, I ain't tripping because that was a great performance. A lot of people know my name right now. I know that shit was rigged because ain't nobody else go out to them artists and get the information. You see, I have to go to nobody, bro. These came to me first quarter. What's your shit? Da 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 da. This and that. Da da da. Cool. At least I know I got a nice little decent recap though. That shit gonna be straight.
Ain't gonna lie, where the fuck? I feel like this shit taking me the wrong place. Nah, it's the right place. Closer. About to get hit.
What about the burger place? Where you gonna go?
I don't fucking know. That's some Venezuelan burger. I don't want that shit. But yeah, man, I'm about to go pull up to draw this man off. Pull up to the telly, get some food.
New music, pressure out now. Loose ends on all EP, go get that. Y'all know what time it is, man.
Feel me? Make sure you check that shit out, man. Fuck with my dog. We out. So we just stopped for food at, Wawa.
High Chronicles, Volume 1, OGP.
This
OGTV.
nigga over here, goddamn, rubbing and shit. But yeah, man, I'm about to go in there and get me, buy me a sub. This nigga fucking up the sub. I wanted to go to Zaxby's, but that shit closed at 11. It's now 11, whatever. Yeah, 11:02.
Let's do it. That shit power me up. Big Dog General status.
Let's go. It's a wow. All right, no copyright. I just got to the telly. feel me? Yeah. I'm trying to gather everything so I can just make one trip inside. If you know what I mean, kind of like make more than one trip. Figure out what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. If you reach this far in the vlog, man, I appreciate you. Make sure you drop a like, make sure you drop a comment. Let me know that you reach this far in the vlog, man. It's OGTV, man. It's your boy White Free. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned, man. I'm out this gang. What's good, man? I'm back checking in with y'all boys, man. So last night was lit, you feel me? I had fun. I enjoyed my time. Dinero, you did your thing, man. That shit was food, you feel me? You already know that shit was ready. So we ain't worried about it cause we working, you feel me? That's all that matters. But right now I'm on the 95 going back down to Broward. You feel me? So I'm just checking in, man. Let y'all know what's good, what happened, and shit like that. So make sure you stay tuned, man. I got more videos coming next week. I'm about to shoot another video, lit video. You feel me? So stay tuned. Watch all my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. It's your boy White Free, and I'm out this bitch gang.
Where the weed at? Where the smoke? I thought spliff met my choke. Real bad man, no joke. Gun pa my waist, no hoes. Gunshot, Tony in a ghost. Why does some boy them for no? When I take this on the road. Think I'm the shit, yeah I know. Little baby, you a show. Girl, don't hit my phone. I want no issues. I can't fall with you.